Okay, so you want to play PS3 games. Here's a tutorial. You're going to download the game. They're coming with the .zip file extracted simply, whether it's with WinRAR or 7-zip extracted. Then go to the extracted folder, in this case Army of 2. Yeah, there you will see .iso file. You're going to extract it, but not completely, only extract it for a couple of seconds, then cancel it. The only file we need is this file, sfb. You're going to open it with Notepad. You're going to horizontally move until you see this code. You're going to select it, copy it, close Notepad, and you're going to this website. It will give you this warning, just save. You're going to paste that code. Then you're going to see the games picture and the file that we need, which is IRD. You're going to install it. Then what you're going to do, you can delete this one. We'll need to use these two tools. First, use the patcher. You're going to select the games ISO, which is this one. I'm going to open it. Then we're going to select the IRD file we just downloaded. And you're going to click on patch, done, close, back up, and go to the second tool, which is ISO tools. Open it, then press on ISO crypto and select the ISO, the games ISO. Open it, and then it will decrypt the ISO file. Okay, as you can see now, it's finished after 20 minutes. We can simply close that, and now what we're going to do is extract the .dec.iso. Okay, now it's extracted, as you can see. Now you can delete these two files. You don't need it. You only need this. And I'm actually going to put it in PS3. This folder. I'm going to delete this one. Yeah, and go to RPCS3 and go to File and Add Games. Then go to that folder, which is this one. Going to select it and select folder. As you can see, I'm going to simplify. So just like that, you can play games which comes with ISO. And for the PKG files, you just go into drag it. It says, do you want to install it? You're going to click on yes. It might take some time. Okay, now as you can see, it's at 99. And there it goes. Now, what you have to do is go to that folder, which in my case was Call of Duty Ghosts, as you can see. Now, don't rename these files. I know they're annoying, they're too long. Just leave it as it is, and after installing, you can check these, but in my case I don't. Okay, so as you can see, Call of Duty Ghosts is installed, but it's still not ready to play. So what you're going to do is grab the RAP or wrap and just drag it you can see that it's successfully copied. Now if I run it, we can play it.